Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize integrate lever with Zapier step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the lever homepage and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, find the API Keys section. Click on Add API Key to create a new key. Enter a name for your API key that will help you identify its purpose. After naming your key, click the Create button to generate it. Copy the generated API key and store it securely. Next, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap located at the top of the page. In the Trigger section, search for and select Lever. Choose the specific trigger you want to use, then click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Lever account. Click on Sign in to Lever. In the dialog box that appears, paste your API key into the designated field. Click Yes, continue to authorize the connection. After successfully connecting, select the trigger event you configured earlier. Click on Test Trigger to ensure that everything is set up correctly. If the test is successful, proceed by clicking Continue again. Now move on to the Action section to define what happens next. Search for the app you want to connect to Lever and select it. Choose the specific action you wish to perform, then click Continue. Follow the prompts to connect the second app to Zapier if necessary. Map the relevant fields from Lever to the chosen app in the setup. Once you've completed the mapping, click on Test Action. If the test is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message. Click Done Editing to finalize your Zap. Finally, give your Zap a name and toggle the switch to turn it on. You have now successfully integrated Lever with Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.